I discovered my husband's affair through our smart doorbell, and what I saw next completely destroyed me. He was kissing my sister on our front porch while I was at work. The betrayal felt like a knife twisting in my chest, but I didn't confront them immediately. Instead, I started documenting everything: screenshots, recordings, credit card statements showing hotel visits. For 3 weeks, I played the perfect wife while gathering evidence. The hardest part was pretending everything was normal during family dinners with my sister, acting like nothing happened. Last night, I finally confronted them both at the same time. I invited my sister over for dinner and served the evidence as dessert. The look on their faces was priceless, but what happened next shocked me even more. My sister broke down crying and confessed she was trying to seduce him to prove he wasn't worthy of me. She claimed she was protecting me from a cheater, but now I don't know who to believe anymore.